So Ari, I will show you the screen and you will see at home and you will decide the sequence, which sequence you choose, and you can stop the YouTube video and just write down on the page where you say, please stop, please start, exercise 6 on page please Irena give us the game, and etc. Okay, now just see it. So we decided to start with a song, yes, and then after the song you will ask them, how are you, about their feelings, and then we will pass to the game. Here's the game. You will say start the game. I will start the game, okay? Now you will give the instructions that they must say the number, and we will divide the team into two parts. Here I will help you to divide the team, and we don't know how many people will be. It depends. And if there are, for example, 10 people, we will divide them to 5-5 or to 4-4, whatever we have, okay? So then I click on 5. Ben is going. His name is Ben.
It's rainy today. You need...
They say an umbrella. Okay, who wants to say, or maybe everybody says you do next, and then you throw the cube for Alex. They say
Has a long E.
Has a long E. Dress, jeans, you may read, by the way. Dress, jeans, desk, Ben, or...
Has a long E.
Okay, jeans. Okay, so this is the game. Then you say, finished, okay? Alex is a champion, or Ben is a champion. Congratulations, bravo, or next time you will be the champion. Okay, and we close the game. When you say close, I close the game, and here you will tell them what you are doing. And then I didn't show you the book. After the song, when you ask them how you feel, before the game, you check 104, yes? Okay, page 104. We do the exercise on page 104. Here is the exercise. You say, now please, exercise 1 on page 104, and you will start. What is number 3? Read the words first, Mahsan Milim, the bank of the words. You read the words together with them. You ask them to read after you. Angry, happy, sad, scared, tired. Do remember what is scared, the most complicated word. You ask them, scared and tired, okay? And then you will start. Number 3. What is number 3? How does he feel? Okay, they have angry, or if they don't know, you will ask me to show the first letter. I will show the first letter, and then they must guess, okay? Sure, they will guess it because it is scared. Okay, and I will tick very quickly. I will tick, tick, tick on every cube here, scared. Okay, and this, we have only 5 words. It's not much. Then please close the game. I will close the game, and we will go back. I will close. You will ask me to close the screen. I will close the screen, and you will start working with your book. You will show them the book you remember, where the long I we have. They will listen to that song or to those words with the letter I. Then you can first, what I would like to do is to explain to them on the whiteboard, and then to show them maybe a short YouTube video, very nice video, you will find it, I'm sure. If you don't do it, okay. And after you explain to them and ask them to read the words on the whiteboard, And after you highlight those, you will show them the game. Now let's play the game, you say, and I go back to student's book. Irina, please open your book to page, and I will open it to the page that we need. I don't remember where it is. Just a second. It is here. Yes, page 60. So I will open page 60, and after all the explanations showing them the exercise finding in the book, YouTube or not YouTube, and your whiteboard, we will go to these exercises. And now I'll show them 3 exercises, 6, 7, and page 61. Okay. Page 61. Now you will start yourself. Please turn on the recorder. I will turn on the recorder and they will listen.
Unit 3, page 60, exercise 6.
1. Smile.
Does it have the sound I? Yes or no? If they say yes, show first answer. Right, you are. Good job. And etc. Okay. Then this exercise. Circle, akifu, circle the correct words that you hear. Again, Irena, please start the recording, start the player.
Unit 3, page 60, exercise 7.
1. Time.
Okay, I will
Time.
stop. I will give them the time to circle. They will circle. Okay, and you may check at the end, and I will show all the answers, and they will check it. Or you may ask me to show the answer. If you want to one by one to show the answer, you stop on time, and then you say, please show them. If you don't want me to do it one by one, okay, you will ask me to
Unit
play.
3,
You will not stop
page
me.
60,
You will play the
exercise
whole
7.
recording. The whole recording.
1. Time. Time. 2. Ride. Ride.
And only at the end you will ask him, which word did you circle? Number 1, left or right? Left or right? Left or right? And I will show all the answers, or I will show just first answer, second answer, bit, fine. You just tell me what you want. Give me the hint and give me the instruction. Irina, we will show the answers one by one, or Irina, we will show at the end all the answers, and I will know what to do. Okay, then again, I will show you that first they listen and follow.
Liz smiles. She has a new bike. Liz is riding her bike. She can see 5 kites and 9 birds. Oh no, Liz! Liz is sad. Liz cries.
The anticipated difficulties for mine, they don't know the word kites. We forgot about let's read. Okay, before reading, we do this exercise. They will write also the numbers here. But okay, let's imagine that we have done this exercise. It's very easy, and we pass through the text. So listen and follow, and after they listen and follow, they please explain to them that what is kites. Ask them how many birds, what is birds, and how many birds did they see. Okay, and what does it mean Liz cries? This is very sad, she cries. What does it mean the word cries? Okay, so 3 words: kites, birds, and cries. Birds they know, but not all the girls know. I'm not sure that they all know, so birds. And then the second reading, I'm sorry. They will read it. They will read it. I will stop and they will ask them to read it. Listen to it on
Unit
again.
3,
As they say,
page
listen
61.
and read.
Let's read.
That is the second listening. The second listening, we call it.
Liz smiles. She has a new bike. Liz is riding her bike.
Okay, after that, we will stop it. I will not close it. And you will say, now you please read it. And at the end, we will do the third. Read and write. Okay, they have read it. Ask them to read it silently once again, and to elicit two words with the sound I, with the sound I. Okay, and then they give you your their answers. Give 2-3 minutes to write two words, and then show them all the answers that we can use here. Smiles, bike, riding, 5. Just they will ask you for sure. And what do we have these lines for? Just tell them it's not for you. You need to write only 2 words, okay? And then after that, it's a secret. I will show you what it means, okay? And then you will show them on all the answers, okay? So in case you finish here, okay, just tell them that their home assignment will be exercise 2 on page 104, because we have done only exercise 1, okay. Exercise 2 on page 104, to watch the YouTube video and to train reading, to read text about Liz. If you have time at the end of the lesson, but it seems to me that you won't, just review the days of the week, okay? If you have time to review the days of the week, you add to their home assignment exercise 1 on page 105 and exercise 2 on page 105. 2 exercises together with this. Okay, again, if you don't have time to review the days of the week, it's okay, but the home assignment will be only the text about Liz, to review the text, to listen, to watch the video. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. To watch the video, maybe you find the video with I will send it to them. And exercise 2 on page 104. If you have time to review, it will be the same, to read the text about Liz, to do exercise 2 on page 104 and exercise 1 and 2 on page 105. And that is, it seems to me that we have done everything. We have thought about that. Practice pages is here, cut outs. I didn't show you the that is in case that we have time. In case we don't have time, you don't show it, yes? Okay, I mean the flashcards. The flashcards, in case you decide and you have time to review the days of the week, I have the word list and the flashcards, okay? And we can do this exercise. And that is only the exercise or the song. Just review the days, because they know the days of the week. Just review them. But again, I say, I don't think, it seems to me that we have a lot of activities, a lot of exercise, very good writing, reading, listening. We have everything here. Sounds, phonics we have, yes. And we have also games. So it's enough. You will see the timing when you train for the lesson. You will see the timing. Good luck, Ari. Just have a look at this book again, and then we will talk about that.